The first lady of we country, Nigeria, she dey go by the name Senator Oluremi Tinubu. He don defend her husband and her husband na the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And she dey defend her husband against allegations say her husband wey be our presido get hand for the economic hardship wey we dey face for inside we country, Nigeria. And reports dey ground say the first lady wey be Oluremi Tinubu, she dey make all dis remark later wey she dey for the palace of the Ooni of Ife wey be Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, and dis dey happen on Thursday wey be the 10th day of October for inside dis year 2024. So na there Ms Tinubu come dey yarn say make country people no blame her husband wey be President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for dis current economic hardship. Say the thing no be her husband fault at all. Then she come still dey yarn say dis administration of her husband Bola Ahmed Tinubu is still dey very much early. We still dey the early stages, and they no need to dey hold im husband responsible for the current economic hardship. She say na just 2 years into the administration, so there's no cause for alarm. There's no cause to come dey blame her husband for the current situation. Say after all, themselves they try to fix the situation. They are trying to fix the challenges. They are trying to fix the katakata wey they see for inside we country, Nigeria, and they are trying to secure the future. Our president wife come still dey yarn say they are very much aware say they don remove subsidy, but with God on their side, in the next 2 more years, this our green white green country wey be Nigeria, e go dey greater than how e be so. And she said before her husband, our president, enter seat, many other leaders they will don try to remove subsidy, but they no fit do am. They no fit go through with the process. They go remove am, put am back because they know how things be. But as her husband now don come remove the subsidy, he go make sure say everything nice for inside the country, and that go work out in the next 2 more years. And with the prayers of the general public, say they go build a nation for the future. She come dey praise the character of her husband. She say he no poor, say the man get money, say he's very much wealthy, and the man he no greedy at all. And he come dey thank God for making her husband wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. She dey give glory to God for their status, for herself and her husband. She said now this position wey dem acquire, say no be common something. It's not common for people wey get money already, rich people, to come get the seat of presido. But she dey very grateful to God, and they no fit disappoint our country Nigeria with the help of God. Say small now we are getting to the promised land, and the promised land is not too far again. All this talk, Emma, good people, they come from the wife of our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and she dey go by the name Senator Oluremi Tinubu. Now all of us know how things be for inside we country, Nigeria. Countrymen now they struggle with economic hardship since the removal of fuel subsidy by this administration wey dey led by our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And this administration, it don lead to an increase in petrol prices from 198 naira wey he come see am when he enter office. Now it don skyrocket to 1,300 naira per litre. Now the floating of the foreign exchange market and the removal of petrol subsidy, it don result to inflation, it don result to poverty, and it don result to increase of unemployment for inside the country Nigeria. Some kind ogbonge men for inside the country Nigeria, some kind men wey sabi how things dey be, they dey argue say this our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu reform wey im implement without considering the impact, without checking how it go be to the vulnerable citizens. Say these reforms, it no make sense at all. Now I know say many country people they go dey out there where they support the reforms of our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They go dey back our president. Anything we do, you'll say yes, now legit, all those kind of levels. But sometimes we could tell ourselves the truth. This our president reforms, all this in policy, he is saying na the betterment of we country people. So we could do the camps, we could get patience. But wetin some people now they talk for inside we country Nigeria be say, if to say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, before he remove the fuel subsidy, because they implement the flotation of the naira and those kind of levels there, if we first drop some kind measures, introduce some kind policies wey be say, as he remove the fuel subsidy, men now can't use that one now take guide, you understand? At least before you close one door, you suppose open another door. Now as everything don't be like this, so now country people they cry on a daily, say things too choke. and fuel price now just dey increase dey go. E come as if dem increase am today, when dem see am say the general public now don dey cope small small, dem don dey come to terms with the new price, dem go come increase am again. E come be as if na only the poor masses na dey suffer the sacrifices of this policy wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu implement. Because if you check politicians, their lifestyle is not making sense, and na why countrymen dem still dey cry put. Dey say there is no transparency. Assuming our president now drop the layout, tell us say see how e go be o, see how many years or how many months wey una go suffer o, then see how e go enjoy you, e for just make sense. But the general public now dey suffer, while many politicians dey live la vida loca. All this kind level, e no make sense. When countrymen wan spark now, they go say okay, wan share palliative. E come as if na only palliative and to make things worse for general public na the president come to do for inside we country Nigeria. Now the first lady don come outside say make we no blame our president for the economic hardship wey we dey face for inside we country. Before our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu enter office, countrymen bin dey buy fuel at the price of 198 naira per litre, and the cost of some kind commodities bin no high reach like this. But as our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu come enter office, come drop some kind policies, we don dey buy fuel 1,300 naira per litre, and the cost of living is very much high. The inflation rate is massive, no be small. So if we no blame our president for all these kind levels, who we wan come dey blame? Meanwhile, during the visit of Ms. Tinubu, wey be the first lady, she donate 1 billion naira to Obafemi Awolowo University for their development and advancement. Then she come inaugurate one hostel like that, and a 2.7 kilometer road wey dem donate to the university by the Oni of Ife. Then after every my good people, the Oni of Ife come dey give the first lady, our president wife, accolade for serving as a role model to young Nigerians since her days as first lady of Lagos State. And he come dey yarn say this her new era initiative wey don provide opportunities for young secondary school students to become governors for inside Lagos State. E make sense well well. So this my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Our first lady now don come outside dey yarn make we no blame her husband for the economic hardship, you understand? Make we blame some other thing. Maybe she dey try talk say make we blame the former president of the country, or make we blame ourselves for voting Bola Ahmed Tinubu as the president of this country. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this informate and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news dey come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp sharp. And abeg try make you dey share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. I dey come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. Abeg no go anywhere.